There are many products available to choose tool chests, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best tool chests from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Tankstorm Heavy Duty Rolling Tool Cart. With large locking cabinet doors, 2 wide drawers, and a flat-top surface, this rolling tool cart covers all your storage needs if you're looking for an under 300 model. The cart comes with a side tray and hooks that organize and hold hand tools like handsaws or hammers. The side tray also has screwdriver holes, so you can store them upright instead of loose in a drawer. Take note of the included non-slip rubber mats that go inside the drawers and on the top surface. The mats provide extra grip for your tools and gear to prevent sliding and scratching against the steel. Number 2. Goplus 6-drawer rolling tool chest. For anyone short on space, this rolling tool chest provides storage without eating up square footage. The chest has detachable and stackable storage modules that offer space comparable to wider, larger models, yet occupy a smaller footprint. The tool chest also has a large bottom cabinet that stores large tools and equipment. If you're consolidating your tool chest, the bottom cabinet also fits the detachable top module completely inside. Keep in mind that this chest has a relatively low 330-pound weight capacity. Number 3. Performance Tool 3-drawer rolling tool chest. Don't let the small size of this model fool you. This rolling tool chest packs storage features into every crevice. The 3 drawers are accompanied by a rear tray for slotting in screwdrivers, wrenches, and hammers. The chest also has 2 folding side trays built with magnetic pads. These pads keep tools, nuts, and bolts in place to avoid them from slipping off and rolling on the floor. Another highlight is that the top of the chest is an EVA foam seat cushion, so you can comfortably sit on it like a stool while you work. Number 4. Craftsman Portable Chest. This portable tool chest is smaller than most of the heavy-duty chests we cover on this list. It fits in the trunk of most cars and can be carried by hand from project to project. With 3 drawers and 1 large overhead lid, the chest comfortably accommodates basic tools and essentials while still being light enough to not burn out your shoulder. The portable chest also comes with a wrench organizer labeled by size. This prevents the wrenches from getting mixed up in the shuffle of other tools and sizes when stored in the drawers. Number 5. Dewalt Rolling Toolbox. Another portable option, this tool chest from Dewalt is made to travel. The telescoping handle extends up so you can roll your tools along like a suitcase. The storage container is completely waterproof, protecting your tools from moisture and rain. Dewalt also designed this chest for stacking other components in its lineup. If you run out of space in the first chest, grab a separate, stackable chest to place on top. Each rolling toolbox is designed to fit exactly with Dewalt's stackable chest, preventing the second chest from sliding off as you walk. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.